Editing the footer in Shopify allows you to customize the bottom section of your online store, providing important information and links for your customers. Here's how to do it. Access theme customization. From your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store Themes. Click on the Customize button for the theme you want to edit. Navigate to Footer Settings. Look for options related to the footer within the theme customization interface. Depending on your theme, this might be labeled as footer or footer and content. Customize footer content. Most Shopify themes allow you to customize the footer by adding text, links, images, or additional sections. Common elements to include in the footer are contact information, social media links, policies, and trust badges. Organize footer sections. Arrange the content of your footer sections as desired, ensuring that it is easy to navigate and provides valuable information to your customers. Preview changes. As you make edits, preview how your footer looks in real time. This allows you to see how your changes will appear to visitors before publishing them live. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click the Save button to apply them to your store.